Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight bulb. First, open your hood and locate the headlight assembly you need to work on. You'll need a new H11 bulb, as this is a common size for the low beam and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your car is completely off and the engine has cooled down. Always work on a level surface with the parking brake engaged to prevent any movement. Accessing the headlight bulb on this model requires partially moving the front bumper. You'll need to remove several plastic clips and 10mm bolts that hold the bumper in place. Use a trim tool or flathead screwdriver to carefully pry out the clips. Once the fasteners are removed, gently pull the bumper cover away from the fender well to create enough space. Remember to disconnect any fog light wiring harnesses if your vehicle has them. With the bumper pulled back, you can now access the headlight assembly. Remove the 7mm bolts that secure the headlight unit. Carefully slide the entire assembly out. Locate the bulb cover, usually a round cap, and remove it. Then, twist the old H11 bulb counterclockwise to release it from its socket. When installing the new bulb, always wear gloves or use a clean cloth to avoid touching the glass, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Insert the new bulb and twist clockwise to lock it. After installing the new bulb, reconnect the electrical connector and slide the headlight assembly back into place, securing it with the 7mm bolts. Carefully push the bumper cover back into its original position, ensuring all clips and 10mm bolts are reattached. Before fully tightening everything, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. And for a smarter way to keep your car's interior clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.